Hello guys, welcome to this video. Okay, so in this video guys, I would like to give you a total update about the Bitcoin and the gold and the indices like S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 and yeah, I mean in general, it's a total update video. So let's start from the Bitcoin itself. So as you guys can see here, the Bitcoin gave us a good amount of rally in the last week. It's just a tremendous move. And right now, the question is that we are getting right now is the party is about to end or not? That's the question that everybody needed to ask about themselves in this stage of the market. So let's have a look a little bit more into the low time frames and this is the things, this is the areas which you need to really care about. So actually uh, set it up like this is the support that the price has to hold, and that's actually at the area of 21 22 to 22.4, and once the price breaks this area, then it can easily come back into this area. Okay, it can come back easily into this area because there is the volume, is that's the way how the volume is distributed. The volume has been distributed in that way because the biggest volume is here, and this is the big LVN, long volume node, and the big volume is here traded before. So most probably the price, what is the more likely thing which we would like to get, or we probably may getting is kind of consolidation here for the price for more times, and if we are getting the volume migration to here, then probably we would see the price moving even upside. So what is the actual pattern that we are seeing right now in the trading light is the open interest kill switch, like in the price it's liquidating many shorts and coming more longs, and it's taking out another short, so the longs are in total in control. So what I would like to see for the price is obviously a little bit more consolidation here and a big move up again. So I'm really bullish at this moment. I'm not looking any big side, more downside, because I'm really optimistic at this moment. But anyway, as a cautious, what is the area where you should be really cautious about the price action is once the price breaks this 22 200-ish area. So once this breaks, then this is the next support area. And if it, the question is, can it be like taking the support from here and going up? It's really possible, but if the what if the price is breaking this area too, then it can be like it could be a really big move down. So that's why personally you should be looking this area the first support level. So as long as it's hold that, there is nothing to really worry about. So I am personally, what is my take, I'm still in that long position which I have been holding from this area of 70,000, which from there I call this exact move. As you can see that on my telegram channel that I had posted that over there. So I've been in that long position, and I'm still holding that. I had moved my stop loss to here, but right now I'm holding my stop loss at 22 200-ish area. So once, if the price coming back into this area, then my stop loss will be hit in profit because I'm still in that profit, because my entry is here. This is my entry point. I'm still in a lot amount of profit right now, and my stop loss, once my SL is above my entry, which means that I have locked that profit. So even if even if the price is wrong, I would be stopping out in profit. So that's a good thing to actually manage your trades if you are trading in that sort of a manner, like per contract or derivatives or options, um, even sports you can manage in that way. But I don't know if your exchanges has been providing that sort of a facility to actually manage your trades in that way of dragging your stop loss back and forth between your entry point. So if that is available for you, then it's a good for you, good thing for you. So So more likely thing is happening is it's kind of like creating and attracting more shorts in the market, and once they are filled, the bags of their liquidity to actually um, turn the price on, then they would be again taking those liquidity and bragging when prices were more higher and taking all the shorts. They were really aggressive in the last move. So that's what you know you should expect from the part of Bitcoin right now. And also, along by reading, if the price is acting something in that way of a downside channel, then it's a flag pattern. Once if the breakout is happening, so you will get another big move up, which you can calculate the target of that move by taking this thing from the pole to this area. Then after that breakout, you can keep that this way, and that is exactly in the 25,500-ish area. The 25,000 is what I have mentioned before in that my TG. And also, if you guys, I mean, especially the R2C newsletter people are getting this video, then this is for you. I had actually shared that perspective and view over your channel too, so you guys could be really, could have benefited from that updates. And let me know more about what you think about these videos and video updates, later. So it's kind of like a technical updates and not anything which I do with a big, huge. What I'm using for analysis is only the data which I could collect from the exchanges like Binance. This obviously one of the biggest exchange right now in this field right now at this time. The industry leader is Binance, so that's why I would like to do the analysis over the Binance perp data. So why perp? The perp is where the biggest volume is attracted, and also it would be better to actually have a look into the Binance Spot, because there you can see a bunch of volume in the last month, because the last month the people were really afraid to actually take position in the perp because of the lack of liquidity on the market, because overall in general all major exchanges were affecting or encountering that problem, or they were facing that problem of liquidity. There were a bunch of liquidity crisis over there in the exchanges field. That's why the exchanges like the FTX went bankrupt. The people were well afraid to actually keep their funds in the exchanges. So that's why what they had, what they actually did is they bought the BTC from the Binance spot, and they moved that into the cold wallet for a safety reason. So that's what they did. In the spot also, you guys could see that there had been a big absorption process in the side. Sell pressure were absorbed by the buy pressure were absorbed by the sell pressure were absorbed by the buy limit orders, and the order was chasing the price up. You guys can see that here. This kind of like a flat limit. It can act like that, and over they have pulled the liquidity in the spot, and but they move to the upside again. So it's chasing the price up. So it could be in that way, in that fashion. At least the price, until the price reached $25,000 level. So that's my update right now. So see you guys later. This is only the update for the Bitcoin right now. So ES, what about the ES? So a small little update or upon the ES could be on this channel. A little update over the ES. Most probably ES could be down in the upcoming weeks, because that's what likely I would like to see. And gold again, looking more upside, potentially speaking. It's kind of like have reached into a resistance too. But gold is still trading, because the actual area the gold is right now looking is to actually take out this liquidity. It's kind of like seems like it's getting into this area, because the trend is truly tremendously strong. At least they want to take out this resistance, because they have a bunch of resting liquidity of shortage. They shorts as a sink position, and still they are in that positions as a resting liquidity. So that's it. And any other asset classes which you would like to get the update over? Yeah, the Nasdaq, which is almost in similar fashion of the ES 100, but it's seems like it has to. Yeah, let's see these things. What's actually the formation of this pattern after the Monday market open? It could be really nice to actually see that. For some forex pairs, or for the Dixie actually. Okay, let's see the update of Dixie. Dixie should come down to this area, because this is the best support for the Dixie. So I'm looking for the Dixie to actually get into $99 level. So that's it. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks. I'm really thankful for you guys. Bye bye.